This is an instructional video about sample space. There's such a question as what does sample space look like, which is just grad level question. So sample space is all possible outcomes. So usually you see it as a list. You might see it represented in a tree diagram. But it's all possibilities. The other piece is the size of sample space, which is how many possible outcomes. So what I mean by that is it's usually a number, and it's just the total number possibilities. So sometimes, to help students find sample space, what we'll do is we'll start with a tree diagram. So here's an example. Find sample space for choosing a pair of pants. And you have blue or white pants and a shirt. And you have a pink, a yellow, and a green shirt. So typically what I have students do is think first, what are we doing? What's our first choice? Our first choice is pants. And how many options do I have? I have 2. So I make 2 branches. One for my blue pants, and one for the white ones. Then next, what I choose is a shirt. Now I have 3 options for my shirt. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It has to come off of both because I could choose either or. So I'm going to put P, Y, G. The pink, yellow, and green. Now this is not my sample space. Now a way we can represent it obviously is this way, but they actually want me to list it. So my sample space is blue, pink, blue, yellow, blue, green. And what I notice is all I do is I find I can have blue pants, and I can choose a pink top. I have blue pants, I can choose a yellow top, or I have blue pants and I can choose a green top. I could choose white pants and a pink top. I could choose white pants and a yellow top. I can choose white pants and green bottoms. And the size is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little trick I'll tell students choosing, you look at a table, you can just count the ends of the small branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is how we find sample space.